Friends, welcome back. We are going to discuss another subject of construction contracting and project management. It is MEP. Just think how much importance you are given for an MEP subject for a building part. Just imagine a small house to a multi-story high-rise building or cinema theater or any type of major project or small project. Think about how much importance you have given for mechanical, electrical, and plumbing. The investors, the builders, architect, consultant, designers. What is the importance for MEP? Just go through this video. You will get an idea. To make you understand the importance of MEP, I would like to compare with a human skeleton. Assume that a human skeleton is available and it is muscles and bones are available for a human body. It will not give any function without internal organs. When the internal organs like nerve, heart, brain and everything is ready, the human body will function. Just imagine this is the structure. So human body with muscles and everything, we can say masonry and plastering or internal painting, false ceiling, tiling is completed. To make the building function, we need internal services like electrical, plumbing, HVAC. All internal services has to be in line with the requirement. Just for example, assume that the heart of the human body stopped. So human body fails. Similarly, just imagine electrical system of the entire building fails. What will happen? So entire building as equal as to fail situation. So MEP has a very high importance in building occupation. In this video, we will try to understand what are the items coming under MEP. MEP means mechanical, electrical, and plumbing. In addition to that, earlier electrical come executing the extra low voltage system also, ELV system also. However, nowadays extra low voltage system is a separate division comes under MEP. In addition to all this one, there is a mixed MEP. I will say there is one more division can be say in the MEP item, which say I will say it is mixed MEP. We'll go through one by one. Now coming to electrical system include many items like up to 10 to 11 breakup we can give. You can see in this chart power supply and distribution. It is from substation power supply will be taken up to the load break switch or transformer, then to the bus bar, then to the panel, up to distribution board. Power supply will be taken. From there, electrical wiring and cabling will happen. Lighting distribution, lighting wiring for light point. Different type of light point will be there. Landscape light, internal light, external light. All this will be there. Power outlet will be there. 5 ampere, 15 ampere, or equipment power supply will be there. Backup power system like UPS, DG, lightning protection system. Renewable energy system. Renewable means solar, wind energy, like that. It is a renewable energy. Building automation, electrical system. Electrical system for specialized building like data center, hospital, and all those building power supply will be a specialized type of power supply has be requirement is there for the equipment. Industrial building is there, and then earthing and grounding. For earthing details, there is a separate video I have already done. You can watch for that what type of earthing, how the earthing has to be done. It is already given in a separate video. And don't confuse that earthing and grounding is same. It is separate work, and even though the word seems similar. To make you understand the voltage level, maybe you have heard about HT line, EHT line, all you have heard. Just go through this chart. Extra low voltage ELV system means up to 50 volt AC or up to 120 volt DC is referred as extra low voltage. Low voltage means above 50 volt AC up to 1000 volt AC or 1 kV AC. High voltage means above 1 kV, that is 1000 volt, is referred as high voltage or HT line. Extra high voltage means above 33 kV and ultra high voltage is above 220 kV. This is for just for information. Every time everybody heard this type of wording when we are dealing with the MEP item. In MEP, next is M. What M is represent for mechanical, and it comes under mechanical. Mainly, people seems it comes HVAC items, HVAC related work and everything. Kitchen ventilation system, ventilation, chilled water system, condenser, water line, air distribution system, and building BMS integration, industrial mechanical system. All these things are coming under mechanical. There is one more mechanical item is there which will come at the last. It's actually firefighting. I'll explain in the later stage. In MEP, next is plumbing, P. Plumbing is also referred as public health engineering, PHE. Covers all water supply, drainage, sanitation, and related utility system with the building. Domestic water supply, hot water system, drainage, sewage, stormwater, swimming pool and water system, irrigation, water treatment, specialized plumbing system for a hospital, a data center, nuclear plant, like that item, everything comes under plumbing or PHE, public health engineering. Next is ELV, extra low voltage. Earlier, a ELV system is a part of electrical. Maybe around 10 years back, all the work comes, ELV works comes under electrical. Nowadays, ELV has the highest importance due to security reason and everything. ELV is segregated and it's a separate item operating, giving by the builders and the engineers, contractors doing a separate branch itself is taken up as ELV system, extra low voltage system. It refers a voltage comes under 50 volt AC or 120 volt DC, primarily used for communication, safety, security, and automation. So in under ELV system, you can see structured cabling is there, telephone, intercom, CCTV, access control, public address system, fire alarm, nurse call, building management, like almost 16, 70 items are there under ELV system. Security and intrusion, which comes including burglar alarm, motion detectors, glass break sensors, all comes under security and intrusion system. Audio visual system, which you are everybody's aware about, the TV system, and master clock system, queue management, queue management system mainly comes in hospital, all those area queue management systems are coming. Parking management system, then specialized hospital ELV system, Wi-Fi and iBus system, latest requirement for mobile phone, and all those things are coming. All these things are coming under ELV, and that is extra low voltage item. When we say MEP, most of the time in our mind it comes mechanical, electrical, plumbing. I already explained that in addition to these three, there is an ELV items, huge number of items now developed under ELV system for the security reason and everything. In addition to that, there's a mixed MEP items are also exist like firefighting. Firefighting and fire alarm need a separate approval from the authority. So either any one person will handle both this firefighting and fire alarm, whether it is an ELV or whether it's a mechanical engineer. Now coming to the other items, centralized cooking gas. In the centralized cooking gas, you can see that it's a mechanical work actually. Then there's an electrical power supply. All those things are required for cooking gas power supply centralized system. Lift includes civil work as well as electrical work and mechanical work. All the three is involved in lift work. It's a service lift, passenger lift, fire, dump waiter is using in hospital, hoist, scissor lift, etc. There's escalator and travelator. Again, it's a mechanical, it's a machine involved, power supply involved, civil work also involved. Medical gas, again, it's a mechanical work, electrical is involved. Pump and motor split, it's a plumbing item, but electrical is involved and civil is involved. Like that chiller AHU, civil is involved as a foundation and everything, electrical involved, and plumbing also involved in this area. So like that fire pump, medical equipment, in all this item, there's an involvement of civil, mechanical, electrical, and ELV. In all these things, BMS integration, or nowadays we can link everything to the mobile phone. So Wi-Fi connection and connecting with them the ELV cable to this, all this item which gives them the input to the in our hand, in our mobile. So all these things are interrelated, and as a mixed MEP item comes under this division. For information, approximate cost comparison also given here for office building 15 to 20%. But imagine that ensure that each project is unique. One office building cannot be the same as the other building, and hospital also 25 to 35%, data center 40 to 50%. It is given for information or lump sum amount calculation only. Be very careful about this. This cannot be dependent for one project to other project. Friends, hope you have got a basic idea about what MEP intended for. Imagine a building with a high-rise building of flats and everything, where the plumbing system or the drainage system fails. You can imagine the chaos what going to happen if the plumbing system fails. And similarly, if imagine a cinema theater where the HVAC system, air conditioning system fails, unimaginable. So think about MEP system properly when you are going to construct a building, because almost 30 to 35% of the cost goes in MEP items. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any doubt, any clarification about any item is required, please do message, contact in the telephone number, or you can email to me. It will be replied. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.